Hello, this is your tech tip of the day, how to make a Google Form assignment fairly easily for math. As we progress in our math curriculum, both in 5th and 6th grade, it is more difficult to create questions in Google Form because now we're talking about graphs. We're going to have compound figures where we're finding area and perimeter. And in 5th grade, we're doing fractions and so on. So I'm going to show you a pretty simple way to get questions that are of quality into your Google form. The first thing you're going to do is go to PowerPoint. So you want to go down and PowerPoint, and you want to open a blank presentation. Now I'm going to click outside of the text boxes here and drag to select both text boxes, and I'm going to hit delete. For my quiz, I'm going to have, let's say, 5 questions. So at the top, I can go new slide, blank, 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 and blank. So now, and I'm going to click at the top. So now I've prepared an area for my questions. Next, I need to go get my questions. I am going to go to IXL, so go to the internet and you can type in IXL.com and it will take you to their page, and then you can click on your grade level and find your standard. Right now in 6th grade, we're doing graphing, so I picked histograms. So here is a histogram question. When you screen clip, it's super important to go directly from what you want to clip to where you want it to go. So I'm going to go from this screen to PowerPoint. And so I'm going to hit Insert, Screenshot, Screen Clipping. I'm going to wait for the overlay to appear. And now I'm going to screen clip my question. So now I have my question. I'm a perfectionist and there's a little bit of a line here, which is going to give me an opportunity to show you how to crop your picture. Click, and under Picture Tools, you can go to Crop on the right, and if you clipped too much and you want to get rid of some things, you can do that by cropping the picture. So now I have my 4 answer choices. Next, I'm going to insert a text box, and I'm going to write A, and I might want to make this red so it stands out, and bold, and I'm going to click on it and do Control C and then Control V to paste, and I'm going to make it a B, and then Control C, Control V, C, and then I'm going to make D. Now that I have my choices, I'm going to drag them over to the questions. Answers, I should say. All right, so now I have everything set up. If I click here, I'm selecting the picture. I want to go outside so that it is an arrow, and I'm going to drag and select everything. Now notice how every letter is selected and the picture. Now I'm going to hover in the middle and right mouse click and click Save as Picture. And I'm going to say this as question 3 and save. Now I can keep going through and doing the same thing and getting a bank of questions. Now I can go to my form. When I'm in Google Forms, I can click the plus to add a question, and then I'm going to write answer question below. Now I can, once I'm clicked on here, notice if I click off this button, it goes away. So when I am in the question below, I can click here on the little picture icon, and then I'm going to browse, and I'm going to go to pictures. Now, it defaulted to the folder I was in, so that's what's helpful because it will default to where you last were. But to show you, it goes to pictures, and then I have to click histogram form, and then question 3. And here is your little question. Now, you can resize these if you want. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller or bigger. And then also, if you want to go back and change it ever, you can hit change or remove or add a caption. Now, you can just write, well, make sure you're on multiple choice. And then you can write A, B, C, and D. All right, and there you have it. When you go back to IXL, again, I just want to review, if you don't like a question, you can just refresh it until you get a question that you like. So for this question, your choices would just be A or B. And of course, before you leave, you might want to check the answers. Okay, so hopefully that helps you, and have a great day.